is how to stop those harassing debt collector calls. Under the Fair Debt Collections Practices Act, you can submit a cease and desist order, in effect, to the creditor. They have to be a quote-unquote debt collector, and that's basically anybody from attorneys, any third-party attorneys, or even banks. The one carve-out that's worth noting is, and these folks know it all too well, is when the loan was originated by the same entity that is now pursuing collection. So particularly when we're dealing with a credit union like Navy Federal, for example, in this area, and there are other credit unions out there as well, USAA comes to mind, where they will actually call the homeowner and want to speak with the homeowner, and you can say, hey, we submitted this do not call form, this cease and desist order that you should honor under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. If we submit a written request to you saying that the homeowner does not want, or the debtor does not want to be contacted, you have to stop contacting them. Or if there is an attorney present, you can only go through the attorney, if that's the homeowner's wish, and it's a written request, you submit it to the lender, and they need to honor it. The credit unions in particular, those creditors who have originated the credit, or in this case, in the mortgage industry, the loan, don't have to follow that because they're not considered a quote-unquote debt collector, so it doesn't apply to them. So that's the big carve-out. But the really good thing is that you can get up to $1,000 per occurrence, plus attorney's fees, plus any actual damages for violations of the Act. So you want to submit this pretty much right away, and especially for those folks who are getting calls already, you submit it right away with your short sale or your loan mod, your workout package to the lender. The customer service folks aren't going to know what the heck you're talking about, but if you can again escalate the file and show the pattern of calls, and maybe even turn it over to a collections attorney, like a consumer credit attorney, they may be able to get some relief. And certainly, if that's really not the intention, you just want to stop the calls. If that's really what the homeowner's desire is, make a complaint. And usually, if you just submit it, it'll stop the calls right away. But even if it doesn't, you just make a complaint, and there you go. The redress, obviously filing a civil suit in court. You can also use the administrative powers that the FTC has to regulate the banks, and I would file a complaint with the FTC on their site, if violations continue. Sometimes you could just use this as leverage, right, to get a better result. We just did this with Bank of America, of all places, and that's pretty cool, because guess what? The poor homeowner was getting, multiple calls each day, and so we filed the complaint, and we'd already submitted the do not call form, submitted the complaint to them, and said, hey, look, you've got 29 do not call violations. We demand the following things. These calls better cease. We've already requested 3 times that they cease. You better approve our short sale, like right now, in an as-is form. And oh, by the way, we want some money. 15 minutes later, I get an email from this negotiator who had heretofore been, just absolutely feet stuck in the sands, not moving anywhere. 15 minutes later, we're going to approve your short sale. It's pretty cool.